Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the M&P Shield 40 caliber. So I picked this up at Academy Sports for $298, and that comes with a $50 mail-in rebate, bringing it right around to about $250. So inside the cardboard box, you get the gun itself. You get an instruction manual. You get a lock. And you get an additional 6-round magazine. And that's pretty much it in terms of what comes in the cardboard box. So let's get to the start of the show. The M&P 40 Shield. Let's run down the specs really quick. Now, this is not an in-depth review. I'm going to get into really specific things when I do the full review coming up soon. So as I mentioned, the capacity is 6 in the magazine, 1 in the chamber. They also have a configuration where it's 7 in the magazine, 1 in the chamber. You've got an external thumb safety here. Your barrel length is 3.1 inches. You got an overall length of 6.1 inches. Your sights are these standard 3-dot sights, and I believe that you can adjust the rear sight. This is a striker fired gun. The grip is synthetic. You got a 20.6 ounce weight. The barrel and the slide are both stainless steel. The frame is polymer, and the slide finish is Armornite, and the frame is matte black. So really nice, compact, light. These guns are great for concealed carry. The size is pretty much the same size as the Shields in 9mm. So really nice. And in about probably the next month or so, I'm going to do a full review. This is my first gun ever in 40 caliber. I've heard some good and bad things about it, but we'll give it a go. I'm Tactical Black Guy. I'm out. Peace.